Hello guys, let me just show you a little bit of this place here. This is one of the African shop as well here in Mansfield. You can be able to get your stuff you needed in this place. You know, most of the African food you can easily buy from here. Most of the things they sell in Nigeria, you can get them here. It's quite enough to be able to get your stuff, everything you needed in Nigeria you can find here. Plantain, and just come around, just very close to Mansfield Library. If you are walking towards the library, like you're going towards a Tesco in Mansfield, you can get your stuff there. The real video is gonna be on my YouTube. I think this is just a quick video. You have all stuff like most of stuff from Nigeria, you know.